How to fix error_network_changed error in Google Chrome browser. If you could not open some web page due to the error_network_changed error in your Google Chrome app, try these methods. Before that, check out the following prerequisites. 1. Clear your browser's caches and cookies. 2. Web connection is to Chrome through your security system. 3. You have a proper or internet connection. Now, here's 6 methods. One. Restart your modem or router. Method 2. Use Google DNS. Method 3. Proxy option. Method 4. Flush DNS. And reset TCP/IP. To do that, run these commands as admin: IP protocol configuration /flush /stat r netshare int IP reset netshare winsock reset. And now, please restart your PC. Method 5. Uninstall then reinstall network adapter using the manufacturer's resource. Method 6. WLAN profiles, wireless profiles. To do that, run these commands as admin: netshare show profiles netshare delete profile name equals profile name such as 12345678990 test.